Hi guys, my name is Rahul. I have unboxed Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 yesterday and I have explained that it does not have the greatest camera available on the phone. So for getting better pictures from the phone, we can install Google Camera. So you have to follow basic steps to get the Google Camera app installed on the phone. I am going to explain how to install Google Camera step by step in this video, and whatever that is needed, I will be providing the links under the description of this video. First you have to install this ADB in 50 seconds file. I have link in the description for this same thing. So when you open this type of window opens up, you just have to type Y for every questions. That is, you say yes to install the ADB, install this computer. That is, this is a Windows 10 PC. So I am going to explain it via or install it or showing it via Windows 10 PC. So after that you have to shut down your phone, and after that restart the phone by pressing power button and the volume rocker key so that it turns on in the fast boot mode. So once the fast boot mode is turned on, you have to plug in the phone. So once you plug in the phone, if the phone was not early detected when you plugged in on, you can, I will be linking the Windows drivers also in the description. So after that you can have to use the shift and right button on mouse click to open this power window, where you have to type in the commands to turn on the Camera2 API on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. So it is fast boot, OEM, enable camera, hold it true, and press enter. I will be linking the command also in the video description. So once you enter it, the Camera2 API is enabled in the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So once you restart the phone, you can actually install Camera2 Pro or manual camera compatibility app to check whether Camera2 API is installed. But you don't have to check it because it is already, the Camera2 API is enabled via this command. So after that you can hit fastboot reboot command and press enter, so that phone is rebooted from the fastboot mode and it turns on in the normal mode. So now the phone is restarting and is turning on the normal mode. You can see here it's turned on. So once this is the Google Camera application link, where the latest Google Camera links are given. I will be posting the link also in the description, but also I am going to post the link of the Google Camera app I used in this comparison, or in this video. I didn't use the latest camera. This camera app actually works really well, Google Camera, but the portrait mode on the rear camera does not work. So you can check and test whether it works properly. I'm not a huge fan of portrait mode on the rear camera. So the front camera also works better. Also you can take 1080p videos, but if you need more options for video, it's better you use the stock camera app. But I don't like the Asus camera app that is given with this phone. So I prefer the Google Camera app for video and pictures. So I will be linking the samples for you to check out. And if this video helped you to install Google Camera app, you can share this video so that it will be helpful for others. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.